In this video, we're taking a closer look at Rx3.pro, a platform that claims to offer free Robux just by entering your Roblox username and completing a few simple tasks. At first glance, it sounds like an easy way to earn Robux without spending money, but there are several red flags to consider before trusting the site. Users are redirected to multiple third-party pages that often ask for personal information or require installing random apps, which raises serious concerns about data tracking and privacy. While the site promises Robux rewards, the actual results don't match the hype. Most users, including myself, end up completing the tasks without receiving any Robux at all. The platform operates with zero transparency, has no official backing from Roblox, and makes big promises that seem too good to be true. While I didn't experience any direct harm, the overall process feels more like a clever marketing trap than a legitimate opportunity. So if you're thinking about trying Rx3.pro, it's important to stay cautious and think twice before giving away your information or time.